Hey, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. Mark here from my backwood adventures. Just took a trip out to the cabin here this morning to see, make sure everything's all good. We had a hurricane come through a couple weeks ago. I was away at work, and then I was off hunting in Newfoundland and Labrador, and in Cape Breton, and then now I got a chance to come out here today, have a look at the cabin. Everything seems to be in order, but I haven't been here. I don't think I've ever been here with the river being this high. The river, she's flowing today. I had some my cargo got a little bit wet crossing the river this morning, so hopefully I can get back across here, no problem. But I think that's about it for crossing the river by quad. Let's come by boat. Anyhow, that's hopefully I can get out later on this afternoon. Should be able to. Yeah, so everything seems to be in order here at the cabin. Just want to come in, and I kind of half forgot where I left it, what was going on here, but I'll have to get oriented again and see where I left off. I know I was doing some wiring, but make a list of all the supplies I'm going to need, and yeah, that's about it. So anyhow, I'm going to plug away here today. Might videotape a little bit and let you guys know what's going on, and then we'll go from there. So peaceful, isn't it, that river? Anyhow, I've been plugging away here at the cabin. Haven't been taping much, but I'll show you what I did. Put in a couple of studs here, try to stud in the bathroom, I guess. That's what it's going to be eventually, so I can finish my wiring. Unfortunately, I ran out of 2x4s, so I'll have to bring some in. I think next time I come in, I'll have to come in by boat. I got some 2x4s built up at home. I'll have to load up and come, and I think it'll be by boat. Hopefully I can get out today. I don't think the water's coming up. We haven't had rain for a few days here, so hopefully it's not getting any higher as we speak. So it's lunchtime now. I guess I'm gonna have some lunch and make a list of materials that I need, and probably gonna head out an early day. I didn't know what I had. I thought I had lots of 2x4s here, but I guess I didn't. I brought a bunch in the last time I come in, but they don't last long. You gotta, once you start using them up, anyhow, I'm getting there. It's a process. Well, folks, that's it for today. This is what the cabin looks like in the fall. Pretty nice. I put my boots on and attempt to cross that river. Close up the camp here. I think I'm all loaded up. Just got to double check, make sure I got everything, and then yeah, here comes the fun. Got to cross that river. Maybe the last time this year with bike, that's for sure. I'll have to come by boat. Anyhow, I need a dozen or more 2x4s to finish studding my wall, and I think I can finish my electrical and put my switches in and all that stuff. I got a light in there. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Anyhow, I just don't want to leave this place. Anyhow, gotta get going, get home, and stuff to do at home. So thanks for watching. Be safe, be kind, and we'll see you again.